Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a retirement savings plan with Fidelity Investments step by step clearly. Begin by defining your retirement goals. Consider when you aim to retire and the lifestyle you wish to maintain. Next, assess your current financial situation. Review your income, expenses, and existing savings. Calculate how much you will need to save for retirement. Use retirement calculators available on Fidelity's website for guidance. Determine your risk tolerance. Decide how much risk you are willing to take with your investments. Open a Fidelity retirement account. Visit the Fidelity website and select the type of account that suits your needs, such as an IRA or a 401k. Provide the necessary personal and financial information during the online application process. Choose your investment options. Fidelity offers a variety of mutual funds, ETFs, and target date funds to consider. Diversify your investments to spread out risk. Set up automatic contributions. Decide on a percentage of your income to contribute regularly. Schedule automatic transfers from your bank account to your Fidelity account to ensure consistency. Review and adjust your savings plan annually. Monitor your account regularly to track your progress. Make changes as your financial situation or goals evolve. Stay informed about retirement planning strategies. Utilize Fidelity's resources, including articles, webinars, and consultations with financial advisors. Ensure that you are maximizing any employer contributions if you have a workplace retirement plan. Regularly check for changes in tax laws or retirement-related regulations. By following these steps, you can create a solid retirement savings plan with Fidelity Investments. Keep adapting your strategy as your life circumstances change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.